In this video, we're going to learn how to use the panel on our Aries embroidery machine. In this first video, we're going to start with Section 1. When we enter Section 1, we find the area where all designs are stored. Here we can see that the panel has several pages with 8 designs on each page. This is the general view of all the designs saved on the machine. How to load a design from a USB drive. We first insert the USB drive into the port located on the side of the machine. And then we select the USB icon. The designs available on the USB will appear on the screen. I'm going to select a logo and press the next button. This button indicates that we are sending the design to the panel. Here we can change the name of the design, and we can also see information such as the design number, which in this case is number 24. If we don't want to make any changes, we simply click the check mark. Once this window is closed, we can exit this section by pressing the door icon with a red arrow. Now we're back to the general view, and here we can see that the design has been saved correctly. With this, we finish the part on how to load a design using a USB. How to delete a design. Now let's move on to the Delete Designs button. This icon is very clear, a trash can with a red arrow. Here we have 2 options: delete designs one by one, or delete several designs at the same time. If we want to delete multiple designs, we first select this icon that activates the selection checkboxes. We select the desired designs, press the trash can icon, and all selected files are deleted. Design Preview. Now let's go to the Preview button. This button is also represented by a flower icon, since the flower represents a design. Here we can see the design in a larger view, and we can also run an embroidery simulation. We can press play, see the order in which the design starts, and adjust the simulation speed so it doesn't run too fast. General design information. In the general view, we can also find complete information about the design, such as design number, file name, machine coordinates, number of color changes, total stitch count, design dimensions. And with that, we finish the first video in this series, corresponding to Section 1 of the Aries panel.